Yo guys, it's me Davey Facade, and there's a compilation this time of coughing from vacation and from this home. Let's go through it. And as a bonus, so that was a compilation of coughing. Have a good night, or have a good day, and have a good evening. Have a good day.